For so many of us, energy can really be a struggle. Too many times we struggle with having the energy to just get our daily things done, let alone exercising or extra stuff, right? So I'm going to show you in this quick video how to make this easy energy boosting roller bottle made with essential oils that I use to get myself boosted back up when I'm running low on energy. Coming up. Howdy, howdy. My name is Melinda here as the Oil Coach. We share tips here on using essential oils as well as health, life, and mindset tips to help you live healthier, happier lives. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and joining our Oil Coach family. And hey, at any time during the video, feel free to check out the show notes and the links in the description box down below, where I'm going to be sharing some additional helpful resources. Now on to our energy boosting roller bottle. So first of all, let's go over the supplies that you'll need to make this. You're going to want to have a glass roller bottle. For this one, I'm going to be using a 10 milliliter bottle, but if you have a 5 milliliter bottle, then you'll just cut the recipe in half. Okay, and then you'll need peppermint and wild orange essential oils. If you don't have these oils on hand already, I've linked them up in the description down below where you can go and check them out. And then lastly, you're going to need some fractionated coconut oil. Now you can use olive oil for this recipe, but if you don't use the roller bottle up quickly enough, it may go rancid on you. So I like to use fractionated coconut oil so that I don't have to worry about that since I've never known it to go rancid on me. Now how do we make this recipe? Well, it's super quick and easy. All you'll do is you'll take your peppermint, and you'll drop 10 to 15 drops in the bottle. And then you're going to take your wild orange, and again you're going to drop 10 to 15 drops in your bottle. And then you'll take your fractionated coconut oil, and you're going to fill it up the rest of the way. After that, you're going to take your roller bottle top and you're going to push it down into the bottle until you can see here that it is all the way down. And then you're going to twist the lid on and you're going to shake the bottle up. And there you go. How simple was that? Now you can make a pretty label to put here on your bottle, but I chose to put stickers on mine. One of them says peppermint and one says wild orange. That way I can remember what I put in this bottle. Now how do you use this roller bottle? Well, when you're going through one of those times whenever you're feeling like you're just running out of energy, take this roller bottle and shake it up a little bit, and then rub it on the back of your neck and on your wrists, and then breathe it in really deeply 4 or 5 times, or more if you need to, and you'll start to feel the oils start to get to work waking you up and getting you going again really soon. Another great idea for using this roller bottle is every morning, as soon as you get up, take this roller bottle and start applying it and breathing it in like I just mentioned. This will help you have a great start to your day. Alrighty, that's how you use this awesome energy boosting roller bottle. Like I mentioned, if you don't have these 2 oils and you'd like to get them in your home, then check out the description box down below and you'll see I've linked them up for you there. Alrighty, have an awesome day and we'll talk soon.